Finally, we have reached the prime stage of the installation and we have the ISO file with us. Double click and open the ISO file and go for the setup option. And when you click the setup option, from there you will be able to install Windows 11 on the PC that you're running currently. But if you don't like to do that, and you probably won't, because this is just a testing version that you are installing, so it is not very much stable and you might incur data loss if you install it on your system. So take a pen drive that is free from important data, which you can format easily. So we will use Rufus for this, and then flash the pen drive with the contents of the ISO. Now you need to have a Windows 10 installation ISO, from which you need to copy the sources folder excluding install.esd or install.wim, whichever is present, and then paste it in the sources folder of Windows 11 installation ISO or the flashed pen drive. There, after replacing all the files, now your pen drive is ready for installation of Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Now if in case this process doesn't work for you, there is another process. Now this is a bit more complex, so listen carefully. You need to have an external hard drive which you need to open and take out this component that converts SATA signals. After that, you need to open your laptop or the desktop into which you are going to install the Windows 11 and take out the hard drive or the SSD that in which you are going to install, and then by connecting it to the SATA port over here, you can connect it to another PC and flash Windows 11 through Windows to Go option. Now detailed instruction I have put in this video that I am putting there in the up I button. You can click there to watch the whole of the video and understand it better.